So Seb, the owner of VANTA, has just arrived, so we're hiding everything so we can't see it, because the bike is a complete surprise. He's here now.
Oh, hi. I'm bringing, look, bearing gifts.
Donuts?
Bearing gifts, yeah. And they're expensive ones, look.
Good all-round visibility.
Do you remember this? Hello, VANTA. It's big, it's bold, and look at that arse end. VANTA first arrived needing some TLC, but the deeper we got into this bike, the more problems we found.
Yeah, I had a quick phone call from Sebby. I've just bought a bike. It's running a bit rough. Can I bring it up for you to have a look at?
It's now turned into a full rebuild. Everything was repaired, all the new parts were ordered, we made sure the new handmade aluminium tank fitted and looked awesome. Then the bike was stripped and sent for paint and powder coat. It's also taking up way too much space! We need this bike done and out the door.
You're the reason I'm going to prison. You're the reason I'm going mad. You're mine, all of mine. You're mine, all of mine.
The frame is back from the powder coaters. And it's all hands on deck to get it rebuilt. This bike might not be everyone's cup of tea, but keep an open mind, it's still a motorcycle at the end of the day. And it's now being minted, and you can't help but love a mint bike. It's been fairly routine as far as the frame's concerned, like getting welded, finished off properly, tidying up everything, getting it up to standards. But I know a lot of the work was very tedious with the wheels, the design that you come up with the wheels. It's a brilliant idea.
Who thought of that? The sticking or bonding 300 bullets on to the wheel, brass end bullets onto the wheels, and
also cutting them all down to size.
yeah, it took me days. That's a stupid idea. But once you start something, you've got to keep going, haven't you? And then I had another idea about, I was going to engrave the tank myself. I thought I could do that. Stupid idea, ridiculous idea. 3 days later, yeah.
So what's the plan tomorrow? Motor's going in?
Motor going in tomorrow. Motor in, then start to hook up the ancillaries, the chains and things and stuff. And then wire it and fire it.
This 1200 Sportster engine is prepped and ready to go back into the bike. These engines are heavy, awkward, and we do not want to scratch anything.
Turned out alright, innit?
Lee, the engine carrier, has arrived just in time.
It's the hardest one yet. He's fucking tight on the back of the roller. But it turned out really good. He'd be fine. I think Sebby likes it.
He hasn't stopped smiling since he's seen it. So
No, I think it's wind. It's got wind. The fuel tank was leaking, the oil tank was leaking, the engine was leaking, the brakes weren't working properly, all the wheel bearings had gone in it, all the hub bearings had gone in it. The exhaust was blowing onto the chain, there was cracks here, there and everywhere. There was this didn't work, that didn't work. The wiring was about to arc out on the frame, which meant it had on flames going up the road. Back tyre kept going down, and that's a big back tyre to pump back up again with a foot pump. The decision was made to actually start again, rip it down and start again, and then the idiot gave me free rein on to do whatever I wanted to it, as long as it wasn't pink. It's just heard me call him an idiot. Idiot. It's Welsh for awesome.
Down and tired, I look up, think of my ancestors.
And
Absolutely
today,
smashed it. I got blindfolded when I first come in here, but I'm not quite sure why.
To keep my head right above the water.
But yeah, when I come round from it all, I loved it. And the bike.
I've just got to wire it and fire it. It's not running yet. I've got to wire it, make a complete new wiring loom for it, one that doesn't want to set him on fire. You know, I love him like a brother, and it could have been quite catastrophic bad. Could have been quite bad.
Upset about the rain, upset about a bus ride. See how they all add up to nothing.
I've got to put a fuel tap on it as well. One that doesn't leak.
Lovely. Well, that's me signing off. Mint.
You've got many complications. Instead of always thinking to liberate a
A couple of days later, we got VANTA wired and fired. Oh yes! Woo! Everything on this bike is like brand new. I'm really looking forward to the road test on this one.
combinations. Why don't you look at yourself in the mirror, make a relation?
VANTA will hit the streets of England with one very proud owner. We will see you in the next episode.
Been on your holidays lately? Want a cup of coffee in the magazines?
not hairdressers.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.
Is this going on the YouTube Showy Workshop programme thing?
Possibly.